Black Friday 2025 is right around the corner, and you will see a lot of offers and a lot of YouTubers promoting offers, especially around PC gaming, tech, peripherals, and similar. So in this video, I actually want to shed some light on why it would be better to avoid some of these offers and why you should in general take all of them with a grain of salt. It may not even be the best period to buy at all. However, in all of this, there are still going to be some things worth buying. The first thing which you need to take into consideration is the fact that the YouTubers, like me, make their money via affiliate links. So if you guys buy, it doesn't matter what you buy, and it doesn't matter if you guys like it or if you're making a good deal. If you're doing so by clicking one of the links we put in the description to Amazon, to AliExpress, or similars to eBay, we get a commission. This clearly means that in general, influencers want you guys to buy. Because if you buy, they make money, and they can make a lot of money via affiliate links. Usually, it's more than what people make with their advertisement income. With that said, you can also see how it's very easy to have a conflict of interest while making honest reviews. Because if I don't like a product, that means I don't recommend it. If I do not recommend it, then I'm not getting paid. That's why people tend to make positive reviews, and people tend to overhype new products, and they also tend to overhype offers and promotions out there. They also try to tell you that it's always a good time to buy, where in reality, it's really not. They may take different positions, like saying, yes, the new GPUs are right there, about to come out, but we've never seen this card so low, so it's still worth buying. And now, that may be true, or it may be not, but it's hard to understand why that opinion is being said. I really understood that because I'm starting to be a YouTuber now, I want to say. To the core, I am still a PC builder, a PC flipper, and a technician. And I understand. I mean, if I make a bad review about a product, the brand is not going to want to work with me. I'm not going to get paid via affiliate links. So I am basically doing myself bad. However, I still think that's not the case. First of all, I value transparency more. But even from an actual strategic point of view, I think in a world where everyone is trying to sell you stuff, I think if someone is honest and I tell you this thing is not good, first of all, when I actually think is good, I can properly recommend it. If you follow the channel, you know that when I like something, I push it hard because I think it's actually good and I buy it myself to sell. So I still prefer to do that. But I find I am one of the minority of people actually making really bad reviews. I have no problem saying I really dislike a case. I do it on the channel all the time. So with that said, be careful about people who actually recommend Black Friday offers. And here's what I personally think. From my experience of buying stuff at Black Friday for about 7 years in terms of tech, what you will find and what you will not find, okay? From the worst to the best offers. So first of all, you will find good offers on monitors, keyboards, mouses. I find these go on discounts pretty well. When it comes to hardware though, which is what the focus of this channel is, a lot of people wait to buy a PC until Black Friday. And the thing is, shops like me, we actually get a decent discount if you buy from big suppliers at Black Friday, about 30%. But since I am buying during Black Friday from suppliers, my best offers to the public are actually going to be around 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, because I will get my stock in and I will be able to actually do a PC with it and sell it. If you are very good, you can order the products during Black Friday and start already suggesting them to clients during Black Friday. It's something I try to do, but still your best deals are not gonna be on the beginning of the week. Usually they're gonna be right after Black Friday has ended. So if you're seeing this a bit later, the week right after Black Friday is gonna be probably the best moment. And by the way, when I say Black Friday, I mean Black Friday and Cyber Monday. They're basically the same nowadays. Now, hardware. Currently, we still have a bit of RAM shortage going on, okay? So you generally won't find massive deals on the hardware you would like to find them on. Meaning, you won't find massive deals on GPU, usually, brand new ones. You won't find massive deals on CPUs, and you won't find massive deals on RAM. However, I find you can actually get some pretty cool things on power supplies, cases, and coolers. Cases are probably the most discounted item during Black Friday. However, to really get a good deal, you need to buy something that's a bit less popular. So what happens is if the products are not sold, supply and demand, price goes down. But during Black Friday, brands try to offload their less selling products. So if a product is generally bad or bad value and I wouldn't recommend it, if it goes on a 40% discount and it's not terrible, maybe it's worth the buy. For example, bad power supply, I still wouldn't buy, even at 40% less. But subpar water cooling system, I would definitely buy at 40% discount. Even 30% discount, I would buy. So you want to look out for these. And then now, I'm gonna give you the best tip ever, which probably no one is telling you. I was actually thinking for a second if I should tell you this, but then I decided my channel, I'm gonna tell you everything, I don't care. And this is how I actually made a lot of money by flipping PCs around this period. So Amazon warehouse deals, which now I think is called Amazon secondhand. Basically, they use stuff on Amazon. There are gonna be 2 or 3 days where Amazon launches a promo where you're gonna get 20 to 30% on most items, on the used ones. So the best thing you can do is buy a motherboard, CPU, RAM, okay, and maybe water cooling or cases, but the last 2 you find better deals on the brand new market. But GPU, CPU, motherboard, and RAM, you can find some insane deals on the warehouse deals, which are already good by themselves, probably 15, 20% less than the brand new price. But then Amazon is going to give you 20% discount at checkout. So these are tricky to find because you have to actually go into the warehouse, add to the cart, and you will see like a green thing. That means they're on discount. So look out for them, but they are the best deals you can get. This is actually my first year being like an Amazon affiliate properly and AliExpress affiliate and stuff. I will try to put links out to the things I like everyone does, okay? I think I will do it on Instagram, on my Instagram page, so in case you don't follow me there, go follow me. And I will maybe try to get a short video out on YouTube. I'm not sure how to really do it to show you guys in real time. That's why I think Instagram is a bit better. So if I find something you like, I can also make profit from it. Little word about AliExpress, because I think it's a good time to buy on AliExpress at Black Friday, simply because AliExpress is weird. Like, they give you coupons, they basically throw money at you. The thing is, you have to not fall for their marketing tactics where they let you add a lot of stuff you don't really need. So the plan to execute Black Friday on AliExpress is capitalize on coupons. The coupons offers are very good. They give you just discounts. They're basically free money, but only buy what you actually need. This is such hard advice to actually give, like, because me too, I'm tempted. If I see something cheap, I'm like, I'm gonna buy it. But I would say if you add a lot of extra stuff you don't need, then you end up paying full price, which is what they want. But hey, whatever. That's just my advice. Also, one last thing, since I make bad reviews and I don't recommend a product if it's bad, so I don't earn from affiliates, and I would really like to become a proper YouTuber one day, I think I'm gonna open up the paid subscription tool on YouTube, in which I'm probably gonna give you some extra tutorials, but probably really, if you guys want to subscribe, it's just to help me, not really to get some value back. Full transparency here too, but if you guys want to do that, it really helps the channel, it really helps me, so I can keep doing this and not sell out. I will never sell out, guys, don't worry. And with that said, if you have any other tips to buy during Black Friday or not to buy during Black Friday, drop a comment down below, since in my videos I always want to hear what you guys think. And also, one last tip for the guys that stayed until the end. Brick and mortar stores, so your Micro Center and in Italy like Media World, Euronics, sometimes they have good deals, but even there you have to find the products which are not really sold usually, like a pre-built which people may not like. Maybe at Black Friday it goes on a huge discount, then just the CPU and GPU are worth the price, then it's worth buying. With that said, see you guys in the next one. Drop a like and subscribe. Bye bye.